Let's talk keyword research. Today, we're breaking down one of the most important parts of SEO, keyword research. So if you've ever wondered how to choose the right keywords or why your content isn't getting traffic, this one is for you. We'll cover the fundamentals of keyword research, explain why it matters, share some tips on how to do it effectively, and at the end go over 5 common pitfalls that you will desperately want to avoid.
CRD
1.
So why does keyword research matter? Well, did you know that over 90% of web pages get 0 traffic from Google? That's right, and without the right research, your content could be one of them. Integrating relevant topics and keywords is key to helping your content rank for the terms that people are actually searching for. Now, the most important part of keyword research is understanding search intent. Google wants to deliver the most relevant content for a query, whether that's transactional, informational, or navigational, or commercial. Now, understanding the intent behind a keyword is crucial for attracting the right kind of audience. So, when should you actually do keyword research? Well, it isn't unfortunately just a one and done task. It is constantly ongoing. Whether you're planning new content, refreshing existing content pages, keyword research keeps your strategy informed and competitive. Now first, let's look at some keyword tools. There are loads of tools out there, so let's start simple with the free tools. So free tools like Google Keyword Planner are a great place to begin. Just pop in a keyword and you'll see related searches, suggestions, trends, and traffic data. Now, paid tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush will go a bit deeper. They help you analyze competitors, spot keyword gaps, and assess difficulty. That said, don't underestimate the power of a good spreadsheet. With time and a bit of patience, you can still do a lot of the valuable research manually. All you'll need to do is understand a few formulas. So what does a solid keyword strategy look like? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to keyword research. Different goals mean different strategies, so understanding your goal initially is going to be important. But there are some essential steps to follow if you are starting from scratch, and we're going to go over some of them now. Step 1. Start with seed keywords. So open up a spreadsheet and list all the basic terms related to your business, product, or services. These are your seed keywords, effectively your starting points. So, for example, if you run a coffee shop, your seed keywords might include things like coffee, espresso, latte, and cappuccino. Step 2. Next step is to analyze where you are. So you want to understand your current position. This is where paid tools will really shine. Using a tool to see which keywords your site already ranks for will give you a good baseline. Now, that baseline is perfect to understand your current SEO performance. So you can then use the same tools to see what your competitors rank for and spot any gaps between keywords that you rank for and the terms your competitors do. Now, a great tip is long tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases, often with lower competition and better conversion rates. So instead of targeting coffee, you might find the best coffee for a French press or organic coffee beans to be better suited to your audience's search intent. Step 3. Here we want to evaluate, organize, and prioritize. Once you've got a solid list, it's time to evaluate, organize it, and then prioritize it. Look at metrics like search volume, keyword difficulty, and how relevant each search term is to your business. Next, group them into categories like high priority, medium priority, and low priority. High priority keywords should strike a good balance between volume and competition and be closely tied to your products and services. And here's where your spreadsheet becomes your best friend. Create a few columns for keyword search volume, difficulty, intent, and then any notes. This will help you sort and filter by priority later on and makes collaboration easier if you're working with a team. The more organized your keyword list is, the easier it is to turn your research into real action. Now, let's talk about 5 common keyword research pitfalls. This is all about what not to do when focusing your attention on keyword research. We're also going to cover how to avoid them, because some of them are simple but difficult. Pitfall 1, ignoring search intent. Now this is one of the biggest mistakes people make when they're starting their SEO research. You need to align your keywords and content with what the user is actually looking for. If someone searches for the best running shoes, are they looking to buy or compare options? Understanding the intent behind the search can make or break your content's performance. Pitfall 2, overlooking long-tail keywords. People often go for broader, high-volume search terms, but those are usually super competitive. Long-tail keywords might be less competitive, they might bring less traffic, but it might be more qualified. And if it's more qualified, then it might convert at a better rate. Pitfall 3, not considering keyword difficulty. It's easy to get excited about a keyword with lots of traffic, but can you actually rank for it? Now, it's always worthwhile checking how hard it will be to rank before committing to creating content around a search term or topic. Metrics help, but a simple search of the keyword in Google will show you what you're up against. Pitfall 4, only targeting high search volume terms. Now, just because lots of people are searching for something doesn't mean it's right for your business. It might not align with your content's purpose, or it could end up attracting the wrong audience. Next up, pitfall number 5, forgetting trends and updates. Search habits change, algorithms change even more so. Many people set their keyword strategy once and then forget it, and that means missing new opportunities. And a classic example is the introduction of AI overviews, which are now taking over many of those top of the funnel searches. If you're not staying current, your content can get buried. Now, by avoiding these common pitfalls, you'll make your keyword research more effective, and as in turn, your content more likely to rank, attract traffic, and convert. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to keyword research? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. So, keyword research is more than just rankings. It's about connecting with the right audience and turning clicks into conversions. So take the time to do your research and make your content count. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on improving your marketing and online presence. You can connect with me on LinkedIn for more updates and behind the scenes content with what we're up to here at CRD1. Bye for now.